Alright, today I'm going to show you how to install this PureFlow cabin air filter. It's part number PC99554X. This is going into a 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz, and you're going to replace this through the actual glove box on the right hand side next to the passenger drawer. Just going to pull this little arm off. And then on each side of the glove box up top where it pivots are these little rubber bumpers, and you just need to pull them back. If I wasn't holding a phone, I would use two hands. And so I got to wiggle this back and forth a little bit. But again, just use two hands, squeeze and pull it in. And this will drop down, and right back here is where the cabin air filter is. All you got to do is squeeze on these little guys, pull this off. Now, be careful. When I originally did this, you want to pay attention to the airflow. Mine's actually installed upside down, and so I know this because the top of the filter is all dirty, so I know all of the air is coming in through the top and going in from the bottom. So anytime you add a filter, there should always be arrows on it. Go ahead and open this guy up, and it's even got instructions there, which we're not going to worry about. We just want to make sure that we are actually focused and making sure that the arrows are facing down, because the air comes in from the top of the vehicle and then slides down. So super simple. That goes in this way. What did I do with my plastic guy? Here's my plastic guy. This can only go in one way. It's got this little bump on the bottom, so that's going to go on the bottom, and then it's just going to snap in. You'll hear it click. Go ahead and lift up, pull in. I'm going to use both hands here and just slide that up, and then reattach your arm down here just by pressing it on. Don't need any tools, and voila, all done.